Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a charting technique to help you to read the charts better so you can make better informed decisions when you are reading the charts. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get straight into this here. One thing that you can see on the charts, you can see I've got a few different charts here right now, and some have got indicators on them, like this one here, and this one here, and this one here, and this one here, and some of them don't, like these two down the bottom here, okay? So what I want to do is I want to share something with you that's likely to help you out. Now, what I do say is that sometimes when we have so much on the chart, we can't actually read the chart itself. Remember, price action is king. Price action is king, okay? Meaning that any technical trader system must be price action first, indicator second. You have a price action set up first, and then you have the indicators to confirm it. Not the other way around. You don't trade just because the indicator's saying something. You know what I mean? It just does. You just don't want to trade like that. Make sense? So what I do say is that sometimes if you're trying to analyze a stock or anything like that, just bring up, as you can see through here, I've just brought up Amazon through here, and you can see that it's nothing but a blank chart. And I'm going to go one step further here by taking off the charts, by taking off the indicators. So as you can see, it's got nothing here. It's a white background with black bars. You don't want to have red and green bars or red and green candlesticks, because especially if you're starting out and you're trying to get ahead, that's going to cause emotion. Oh, look red. Oh, look green. Oh, red. You know what I mean? And it's going to cause so much emotion. And the next thing I do say is that if you're looking at a chart, most people look at a chart like this. You know what I mean? It's like, what's that telling you? When you're trading, right, you're trying to get a bigger picture around what something's doing. So squeeze it up a bit, you know, get a good couple of years worth of data behind it. Squeeze it right up, you know. As you can see right now, I've squeezed it right up with Amazon, with this stock here, but this applies to anything. If you squeeze it right up, now you can actually see, right? You can actually see what this stock is actually doing without any fluff by viewing the stock itself, right? So it's really, really, really simple. But now you can start to go ahead, and now you can start to say, okay, then now I need, and then now you start to apply the peaks, okay? Now you start to apply the troughs. What's happening with the troughs overall, okay? And so on and so forth. Make sense? So and then you can start to draw your trend lines and start to get a good view of what this stock is actually doing. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, it's price action first, indicator second. So squeezing this up, and then obviously what you want to do is you want to go say to the weekly chart as well too, and then this is where you want to start looking at what the weekly chart's doing as well too, and so on and so forth, right? And so by viewing this below here, you can actually get a good view of what this stock is doing in any market out there that you're looking at, just by having a good look at the weekly chart, squeezed right up like it is right now. And then once you've done that, you want to draw your trend lines, and draw your trend lines on the major highs and major lows. You can see here, this is a major high up here. You can see where I've got this trend line here. It's at the low here. It's at the low here. This is a one peak up here, second peak up here. So this if the market does get up to here, guess what that is? That's going to be a major resistance to the market, right? So it's important to have those by identifying the major support and resistance levels on the weekly, then flicking over to daily. This is the daily chart now, and then flicking over to daily, having a good squeeze up, and now you can see what we have parameters. We can see what the price action is doing. We can see the peaks and troughs. And now we have parameters. We can see that this level down the bottom here is a major support. This level, this one up the top here is a major resistance. And now we've got some support resistance tools as well to identify as well too. Makes sense? And so by looking at this chart here, I can actually see that if we do get, you know, maybe a nice flag formation or something like that, then if it comes down the bottom here and gets to this bottom of this trend line, you know, I reckon it's going to be another nice area to bounce off, and then up we go towards the top of this trend line. I don't know that for sure, but that's what I'm seeing on Amazon. But this whole thing here is about reading charts, chart reading, and sometimes the best thing to do, guys, is take everything off the screen, just have black bars with a white background to simply view what's happening with that stock. This is John Howell here. If you'd like to learn more about how I view the markets, then grab my course, 12 videos, 12 hours long, charting techniques, money management, trading systems, all you can think to help you get ahead in the markets. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.